video is all about how to know if you marry wrong or right, like if you are complete in love or you are finished in love.
Complete, and what is the definition of the finish? I said if you marry a good wife, you are complete in your life. But if you marry a bad wife, you are finished. But if you are marrying a wife who loves shopping, then you are completely finished.
Many women out there just to spend on their man for money. You spend some money lavishly. Don't you have your own life? You to work, have your own money, and spend it lavishly like. You just spend the money you don't work for. You love shopping without working. It's not good. What is your financial literacy? It is advisable for women to know how to spend. Your financial literacy is very important. You cannot just jump into someone's life and spend his money lavishly. Do not depend on man's money. Many women are starving to receive what they cannot give themselves from a man. Tell me, it's not your boyfriend's responsibility to take care of you. It is your own responsibility as a woman to take care of yourself, or it's your father's responsibility. Do not depend on man. Don't be as mercy of any man. You to work for yourself. Work. And if you have a bad behavior, please work on yourself. Try to change it. Stop looking for who will love you for who you hurt. Nobody love nonsense. Nobody love bad things. To be sincere, let's be real here. Nobody wants nonsense. Change yourself, change your life, change your attitude.
Being a wife who loves shopping, then you are completely finished.